To factory reset your Xiaomi 17 Pro, all you have to do is open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down, or rather, find the My Device option, tap on it, and then scroll down and find factory reset. Tap on that, and then you should see all the information that will be reset. So to proceed, simply select Erase All Data, select that, and then confirm your screen lock pattern, and then you'll be prompted if you want to back up your item first. So if you want to back up your items, select backup. But if you want to factory reset and clean everything, simply select factory reset. And then you should see this warning. It will reset all data on your phone, including photos, songs, notes, and other information. So to proceed, tap on next, and then tap on OK after the timer ends to proceed. So give it a few seconds. And there you go. It will now start performing a factory reset. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.